Hi, everyone. Welcome to John Long Middle School. My name is Mrs. Lambert, and I will be your sixth grade advanced math teacher. I'm so excited to have you in my class this year. I have been teaching for a really long time, 23 years. I think I'm pretty old, but we're going to have a great time. Before coming to John Long, I taught at Sandpine Elementary School, fifth grade. So I have a PowerPoint that's going to introduce me to you and introduce my family to you. And then we're also going to learn about what we're going to learn in math this year. So I'm super excited. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So welcome to sixth grade advanced math. Who is Mrs. Lambert? Well, I'm your teacher for math this year. I'm super excited, as I said, about that. Here is my son, Matthew. Matthew is a junior at Wiregrass Ranch High School. He's in the Marching Bulls. Here is my son, Andrew. He's also going to be in the Marching Bulls this year as a freshman. And my son, Matthew. Here is my husband, Jason, and here is my husband, Jason. As you can tell, we're a Disney-loving family. We also love to watch and attend sporting events and have some quality family time. So let's get down to business. What are you going to have to be ready for math every single day? Whether you are a traditional math student coming to school or you are My School Online, here is what we need you to have. If you're My School Online, you're obviously going to need a device. We will be using Canvas primarily for a lot of our instruction. So and Canvas is where you will submit your work. So if you would like a textbook, you just need to let me know and we can arrange that for you. All of the textbook pages for work are on Canvas this year, and we will learn how to navigate through Canvas. But I know a lot of you have already done that. You will need every day ready when math starts: pencils, a colored ink pen, highlighters, glue sticks, scissors, dry erase markers, and a dry erase marker eraser or a sock. We also need you to have a page protector with paper inside so we can use it as a read when ready. You can put white paper and a sheet of colored construction paper in the page protector, and that will work out perfect. The kids should have used read when ready last year in math. If not, that's okay. I'll teach them how to use it. We have a lot of fun. We also have an interactive notebook, which is your composition notebook, a plastic two-prong folder, extra paper, and tracing paper. Most importantly, a willingness to learn and grow. What do I need from you, parents and guardians? We need to stay connected and we need to support each other. We also need to have flexibility. This is a very different year in education. So how can you and I stay connected? Also for students, here is my email address. Any questions about how to do work, I do expect it to come from the students to help. We're going to learn how to write emails to help promote independency. But parents, I would love to have an email from you stating your child's name, the period your child has me, and any email addresses that you would like correspondence to go to. Also, anything you want me to know about your child, any allergies, medical conditions, your child's likes, what your child does very well at, what your child may need some help with. I would really love to know that. Also, I would love for parents and students to sign up for Remind. Remind is critical to sign up for. So let me get all the information. This is the main form of communication I use to remind students and parents of upcoming due dates or happenings at the school and in our class. Weekly class newsletters will be sent home via Remind. Remind was the way that I communicated with parents and students of all of my classes last year, throughout the entire year, and it was crucial when we closed schools and went to e-learning in March. So for Remind, send a text to 81010, and in the message box, here is what you will type: at D3423B7. Then you'll be registered for Remind for my class. Parents and students can also use Google Voice. Here is my number, 813-815-0561. Text will be answered within 24 hours, Monday through Friday. I am highly encouraging students to text questions about homework if they have it. I will say again, please sign up for Remind. This is extremely important. This is how 99% of the communication will be given for all things important that are happening in class and school. What will we learn this year? We will be learning many different topics. This year, you will be learning 6th grade math and half of 7th. So the difference of 6th grade math and 5th grade math. In 5th grade, you used Eureka. You had about an hour and 15 minutes every day, and you completed one lesson of math. This is different this year. You will have about 55 minutes, and we will complete in advanced math about 2 lessons a day. So very important is to ask questions. I love questions. I love to answer questions because then we both learn. So over here, our topics are area and surface area, introducing ratios, unit rates and percents, dividing fractions, arithmetic and base 10, expressions and equations, rational numbers, and data sets and distribution. As I said, it's very important to ask questions. Also, extremely important is to do your homework every single night and participate in class every single day. There will be homework 5 nights a week, so you will have homework on most Fridays. I do apologize, but the more we practice our math, the better we get. So this is where parents, we're going to maybe change this in the future, but for right now, here is how your child's grades will be calculated. So kids, listen up too. 60% are your assessments, 20% is classwork participation, and 20% is homework. Yes, your homework is graded, and your homework is graded for accuracy. So it's very important to do your homework every single night. Here is our policy. Homework, you'll be given almost every day. Excuse me. Please check the agenda on the board in class for each day's assignment. It will be checked and graded daily. If you are a My School online student, homework will be on Canvas, and that's where you will see it. And I post homework usually that day for the day, just because it might change based on what we learned in class that day. Late work will be accepted 1 day late the first semester only, and for partial credit. Now, if you are absent, it's not late if you bring it in the next day. I will tell you when your work is due if you are absent. But if you are attending class every single day, your homework is due the following day. Attendance, it is important. If you miss a day, it is your responsibility to find out what you missed and turn in makeup work. So students, please email me to let me know if you are going to be absent. If something was due the day you are absent, it will be due on the day you return to school. You have 2 days for every day you were absent. So here are our Zoom expectations for my School online students. We have be on time, so wake up early over here. Presentation, wear appropriate clothing, sit up straight, and be in the camera view. So just like you can see me, I will be able to see you on your Zoom camera, just like you would be in class. So we're not going to have names up. It's going to be your smiling face and my smiling face, so we get to know each other. Chatting will be in the chat boxes with me, only giving answers when I ask for them, or if you have a question. Be in a quiet place in your house. Mute yourself, so when you come into Zoom, you will automatically be muted. Communication, speak clearly and look at the speaker. Stay on topic. And we're going to be doing a lot of math, so we'll definitely be on math topic. Be prepared. Make sure your computer is charged, your camera is on, your headphones, you have them, you have everything ready just like you would have in class. If you don't have headphones, that's fine. That means you don't have the little earbuds that I have now. Okay, participation, be focused, attentive, and be an active participant. We have to have that in math because we're always working and thinking. And be respectful and be kind and considerate. And I know that you will all be. Over here, you will have my student and you will be in my learning. In my student, this is where you will be able also to check your grades. So very different than in 5th grade. In middle school, you will be able, students and parents, to check your grades. You could check daily, you could check every other day. I suggest for students and parents to check daily. That way you can keep up on assignments that were graded, and if there is any missing work. If an assignment is missing, there will be an M for the grade. Okay, parents, I'm sure in elementary school that you already created a My Student account, but if you haven't, please create one because you can also make payments for field trips or anything, yearbooks at school, things like that. My Learning, this is where you will go to submit your work for all assignments, homework, quizzes, and tests. Okay, what do you need from me? Do you have any questions? If you have any questions, please email me, nlambert@pasco.k12.fl.us, or you can text me, and this is my Google Voice text, 813-815-0561. And I just want to say I'm so excited to have you at John Long Middle and in my math class. And I will see you bright and early on August 24th. Have a great day.